In this video, I am discuss about the osmosis process. What is osmosis? Osmosis is a passive process. It is the movement of the solvent through the semi-permeable membrane from the high concentration regions to the low concentration region. Yes, but the question is, what is semi-permeable membrane? Semi-permeable membrane, a membrane which allow some molecules or some molecules not allow, is not permeable. So this is the semi-permeable membrane. So discuss about that detail. So the the cell outermost layer called as the plasma membrane. Cell outermost layer called as plasma membrane, and this plasma membrane is a semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane. The plasma membrane not permeable all the substances. So this is the water molecule, and this water molecule is permeable. Solvent means water is permeable, and solute which are not permeable. So this is the semi permeable membrane. What is permeable? Water. What is not permeable? Solute. Yes. So the water molecules movement from the high concentration to the low concentration. Yes, that's why it is a passive process. The movement of the solvent from the lower solute concentrations to the higher solute concentration in terms of the solute. These are the two definitions. First is in terms of solvent and another is terms of solute. So the movement of the water from high concentrations to low concentrations, there are two processes. First is the simple diffusion. Simple diffusions already discussed about that, and then next is the movement of the water through the channel called as the aquaporins. These aquaporins is integral membrane protein which actually help to transport the water molecule from the high concentration regions to the low concentrations region. So this is about the osmosis. In the next, we study the one experimentation. So suppose this is the U-shaped tube, and in the U-shaped tube, in between present the semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane, a membrane which allow the water molecule but not allow the solute. So this is the semi-permeable membrane. Okay, and when the in the left arm, and this is the right arm. In the left arm, pure water is present, means that only water molecule is present, and in the right arm, solute plus solvent both are present. So in the left arm, water present, and in the right arm, solute plus solvent present. So yes, where is the water concentration is more in left arm, where is the water concentration is less, right arm. So the movement of the water from the high concentrations to low concentrations, or from the left arm to the right arm. So this is the osmosis process begin. Okay, so you might think that when all the molecules of the water move from the left arm to the right arm, continue until the no water remain in the left arm, but this is not happening. Why? Because when the water goes on increasing in the right arm, so suddenly stop. Why? Because one pressure is applied. So when the liquid is present, means solvent is present, and which apply a pressure, and this pressure called as the hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure is a pressure applied by the liquid which move back the liquid which move back the solvent from the right arm to the left arm. Yes, so this is hydrostatic pressure, and when the solute are present in the right arm, this solute also apply a pressure, and the pressure is called as the osmotic pressure. When the solute apply a pressure, is called as the osmotic pressure. So in osmosis, the movement of the water from left arm to right arm, and in hydrostatic pressure, the movement of the water from the right arm to the left arm. Okay, so then the equilibrium condition is achieved where both have the same level of the water in the right arm and in the left arm. So this is the equilibrium is achieved. And okay, so suppose we apply a external pressure, for example piston, and this applied pressure is equals to the this applied pressure is equals to the osmotic pressure, means that the pressure applied by the solute, when the applied pressure is equals to the osmotic pressure, the movement of the water from the from the left arm to the right arm is stopped, means osmosis process is stopped. Okay, so the osmotic pressure is a pressure needed to stop the movement of the osmosis process. So this is the osmotic pressure. Yes.